You know, that's a little bit old, that chart. That chart's a couple of months old, and if you want to really see something that's said, take a look what happened.
There's something really suspect going on, and it almost feels grotesque. Don't believe everything you see. Question everything. Like, when I say everything, I mean everything. Because what if I told you that everything is just a distraction to keep you mindlessly entertained? So you don't find out none of this is real. And when I say none of it, I mean none of it. Would you believe me?